Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Archero 2. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to find your user ID. Tap the top left button, go to Settings, and you will see your account details. Copy your user ID by pressing the Copy button. Next, open a web browser like Chrome and search for the official Archero 2 redeem code site. Make sure the URL is h5.habi.com to ensure it is the official website. Once you are on the site, paste your user ID into the designated field. Now, enter the redeem code you want to use. After that, you will see a verification code next to the input field. Type that number into the box and press Redeem. Once you have done that, return to the Archero 2 game and check your in-game mail. If the code is valid, your rewards will appear there. If the code has expired, try another one. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Archero 2. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.